I'm going to show you how to create an irresistible credit repair offer. Let's get straight into it. So, who is this for? This is for people that literally have a credit repair business or they're aspiring to have a credit repair business. So, if you're just a regular consumer, you don't have any business aspirations, you can just go watch a separate video because this video is for people that are in business, people that want to make money, people that want to impact lives. If you're just in it for yourself, I understand that. That's cool. Go ahead and do what you do. But this video is strictly for credit repair business owners. Who is it not for? Anyone that doesn't have a credit repair business and does not want one. I'm not forcing you to have a credit repair business, but this is for credit repair business owners that want to start, grow, or scale their business. All right, so one thing I need y'all to understand, this is just universal, but people buy anything with logic and emotion. It has to have both. In order to create an irresistible credit repair offer, we have to implement logic and emotion. Logic and emotion. So when it comes to your credit repair services, you got to understand that the logic behind it is that credit repair is needed to go ahead and remove those negative items that they have on their credit. So think about your ideal client. They're scrolling on IG, Facebook, whatever at 2, 3 a.m. They understand the importance of credit repair. They just maybe have to understand who to go with. And then the logic, if you're doing your job, you've displayed yourself as a subject matter expert on the topic, hopefully using consumer laws. You know what I'm saying? So this could be through you posting results that you got for your clients. This could be through posting your content. Basically, things like I do, right? Being on YouTube, giving endless value time and time again. So that's where the logic comes in. I'm literally breaking down to y'all why our clients do business with us. It's logic and then it's emotion. So that's a logic aspect. The emotional aspect is the fact that think about what your client wants. Maybe they want a house, maybe they want their dream car, right? So credit repair just opens many doors. It's like you're behind a fence, that collection, that late payment, all that is holding them back. So the logic kicks in when they think about the content that you posted, where you were breaking down, like, okay, the FDCPA, the FCRA, things like that. That's where the logic kicks in. But the emotional side is like, dang, I want to get over that fence so I can get that dream car, so I can get that dream house, so I can get that business funding to start my trucking business, so I can get that funding to start whatever business. You need credit, right? You can do cash, everything, but credit is going to be important to extend what you can possibly do. So I need y'all to understand when you're going into creating your offer, you need to look at emotion and logic. If you're a credit repair business owner right now, you're struggling to get a premium for your offer, you're probably not really thinking about logic or emotion. And I'm going to go over a worksheet today that's basically taken from my 10K mentorship. This is my high ticket offer mentorship. I'm giving y'all a snippet today because I know and what I've seen, sometimes you don't necessarily need more information. You just need those aha moments to get that transformation. And that happens to be when you place yourself in certain environments. This happens to be for my students, obviously, them investing thousands of dollars to be in the environment that I created. This is obviously free to everybody to view. So I'm hoping and I'm praying that this snippet helps somebody with that aha moment within their business. So I say that to say I have something called God Made Marketing in my mentorship program, and that's like the first assignment that you have when you get in the program. So it's basically required homework because we want to zero in and make sure we're talking to the right audience so that we can create that irresistible credit repair offer. And just for context, I give them multiple worksheets that they have to work on. Like it's like school in a sense, right? It's not to the point it's overwhelming, but it just makes you think, and it's just one of those things you need for the foundation. When you're building a house, you need the foundation, right? So just think about it like that. But this worksheet in particular, this is the offer optimization worksheet. This worksheet snippet I'm giving you is part of that God made marketing module. Like if you get in our 10K program, you're gonna have to go through this worksheet. It's gonna be more in depth when you actually go through it because I'm just giving y'all a snippet today. But hopefully, those of y'all, if you're like a free person, like you don't make no investments or nothing in yourself, you're just scared to make an investment. Hopefully, at least it could help you do something. Those of y'all that are able to make an investment in yourself, then eventually you'll get with us or whatever. But I'm hoping that this video can definitely help y'all at least get started, get the ball rolling. So this is a CAT offer optimization worksheet. Let's go through it. So I just basically say, I'm telling my students, this should not be a one and done worksheet. It's something you want to constantly, consistently work on as you're rebranding yourself. You'll iterate it and things of that nature. So the whole goal we want to remember, we want to solve a painful problem for a specific audience that has money. That's easy to find online, right? So that's the whole goal of the worksheet. And y'all got to understand too, right? That having a bad credit is already a painful problem, but we want to dig into the why it's a painful problem. So I'm not going to read through everything. I just want to go through like 3 of the big questions that I tend to ask so that you can basically apply it to your situation so that you can make your credit repair offer stronger. Specific audience, we want to get crystal clear on who we're talking to. And then money, we want to speak to people that have money, obviously. We can't talk to someone that's homeless, telling them about some credit repair services, pay me $1,000, right? So they have to have money. And then easy to find online. So the 10K program is obviously based around us scaling. So we're running ads. So that's why you see me say here, your ad is being super clear. So what I would recommend to y'all, I teach my 10K students how to run ads, the back end system and all that. But what I would recommend to y'all that's watching this for free, if you don't know how to run ads already, get with an agency that you trust, or just figure it out somehow. So number 1, who's your dream client? You want to describe them in depth and include their age, physical appearance, pain points, all that. In the actual worksheet in the mentorship program, I give them examples, and it just like sometimes when you read examples, it gives you that aha moment. So I just want to at least give y'all the question so you can kind of brainstorm with yourself. But if you're in the program, then it'll be more extensive. Number 2, what are your dream clients' green and red flags? This is very, very important because you want to physically write down what's a green flag in this client, what's a red flag in this client. And I've heard my students say the examples I give were very helpful in terms of being able to help them walk through and brainstorm their own examples. That's why I'm saying sometimes it's not necessarily more about information. It's just about being exposed to the right environment. And that's what I provide the students. But for the sake of, because this is free, I'm giving y'all the questions at least. So hopefully that can help you with the aha moment. I can't give y'all everything. All right. So what is the main transformation that you're selling? So obviously that's your credit repair services, but we got to understand that everybody fixes credit. So what's your unique transformation? This is how you get super crystal clear. And this is part of why we charge what we charge, because I work one-on-one in a sense with each client when they come in the program to figure out what their unique situation is. So this is something you'll have to figure out for yourself if you're not in the program, but it's a good conversation starter. So figure that out as well. And then I just say that to say that this is just a small snippet of our 10K high ticket program. And I'm not telling you to get in that program. Yeah, I know some of y'all don't even have money, you know what I'm saying? But sometimes you got to understand that you don't necessarily need more information. You need to be asked certain questions to have that aha moment. That's kind of what I've been stressing to y'all. That's that aha transformation. This only can be unlocked when you change your environment. The main thing I want y'all to take when it comes to creating your irresistible credit repair offer, you need to get super crystal clear on who you're talking to, and you need to know yourself to an extent, right? This is obviously free. Hopefully, though, this can definitely give you some sort of an aha moment. Obviously, when you invest in yourself, you get further along. But I say that to say there should be something you took away from this video, at least to help amplify your existing offer or create your offer as you're starting your credit repair business, right? Because I always say that I teach my students to be the Gucci of the credit repair industry, the Louis Vuitton of the credit repair industry. It's not that we're just charging high prices and we're not providing a service. It goes deep, is what I'm saying, So we don't charge 10,000 just to say we charging 10,000. But I say that to say, if you want to improve your credit repair offer, we have a group where you can discuss this exact topic and many more topics, right? You can join Cat Credit University for only $39 a month before it goes back to $100 a month. Only $39 a month before it goes back to $100 a month. If you are considering yourself to be an aspiring business owner, a current credit repair business owner, and you feel like let's say you've seen my student results, the people in the 10K mentorship, people making 10K in a day, 20, 30K in a day, stuff like that, getting remarkable results. If you've never done that before, especially if you've never done that even in a month, like you haven't even hit 10K in a month, and you think that you don't need to, if you think it's a problem just to invest $39 a month into your personal development, then respectfully, you don't deserve to be in the same Zoom as me or any of my students, So if you want to join, go ahead and join. But hopefully this video helped y'all with practical action steps you can take to go ahead and make your offer a little bit more stronger and more irresistible. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, share. With that being said, y'all have a blessed one.